Hey guys, it's Rosie here, and today I'm going to be playing Fidget Spinner Evolution. And yes, I am on my tablet. You like my background? It's a wolf. I like wolves for some reason. Yeah. Evolution game. That's literally what I shoot. It's gonna be a little loud for this part, so you're just gonna have to wait until I turn this down. Wait, no, never mind. Okay, I love this game. I don't care. I beat the Evolution. My friend has that. I don't, because I don't care. Will you load, please? Evolution games are sometimes... Shut up. Sometimes boring, but still. They get fun. Confirm. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, I have to turn the sound down for a sec. Hang on. Don't care. Okay. I'm tapping it. Screen. I'm tapping the box. Here, tap the bag. I don't care. Cool. I don't care. Green things, but I don't care. Okay, nice. Thank God. Settings. Where are the settings? Settings. Where are the settings? Achievements. Let's see what the achievements are. I don't care. Where are the settings? How do I turn this down? Settings. Settings. Notifications. Sound. Music. Now shut up. That was annoying. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't just want to stop, so. Okay. Gotta mix some fidget spinners. Boom! I got a cool fidget spinner. It's so freaking cute. Look at it. They pull them together to make another fidget spinner. Then boom, then boom, then boom. Ooh, it's green. I love green. What's next? I don't know. It says what's next up there. Hang on. I will drag this fidget spinner that is moving everywhere to where it says it. It says it right there. Mixed together. Shop. Okay. Buy a lot. So guys, how was your day? Mine was good. No, wait. Actually, settings. I'll turn this out. No, I won't. That is annoying. No. I don't want to make the game. I don't want to rate it. Stop. Go away. Go away. You have ruined my life. What have I done? Guys, this is a disaster. Okay. Hang on. Almost there. There. Turn it off. I love evolution games. Guess I just said I love evolution games, even though I'm just screaming at my... It's an anchor one. It's an anchor one. It says what's next in it. Are you lucky? Yes, I am. Middle. I got diamonds. Yeah, I'm so cool. I got some diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond, man. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, wait, I can't sing that song. Yeah, this game is boring. So, evolution games are cool. Wait, no. Oh, never mind. Later. I thought I did something awful, so I scared myself. Okay. Wait, if I tap on them, will they spin? Oh, they will. That's cool. Okay, shop. More. Green. The one I just bought like 5,000 times name is Green. Best name ever. Here comes the anchor one. Oh, that looks so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's big, but it's adorable. Spin, spin, spin like the fidget spinner you were meant to be. The reason I downloaded this game is because I wanted to do a gaming video on stuff, and everyone has been talking about fidget spinners. I even have a fidget. Where's my fidget? Oh wait, yeah, my fidget spinner is my bed somewhere. I was playing with it last night, and then accidentally dropped it behind my bed, so I can't get it now. But I have a fidget spinner, and I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys it. I love this app. Well, not this app in particular with the fidget spinners. I mean the app that's letting me record on here. Shop. I'm gonna buy stuff. I almost clicked on that. I only bought one? I thought I bought like 5,000. So I'm bored. This is the most boring thing I've ever done on YouTube. I should not say that out loud. Okay. I'm sorry I haven't been really updating. I mean, not updating. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot of stuff. Posting anything recently. It's just stuff Actually, I have no excuse. I've been busy with school, I guess. I don't know. To be honest, I didn't post that much in the summer. I am lucky. This one. Yeah, I got more coins. Yeah. You guys are fidget spinners. You're always fidgeting. Spinning. Whatever you guys do. Hey, guys. Okay. Nothing happened. I thought that was anticlimactic. Wait, I just realized the one that's next gets smaller. I'm pretty sure it gets smaller. Whee! All of it is Let us miss yourself song. Not miss yourself. Guava juice. No. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? No. What did I do? Yeah. I did something that I wasn't supposed to do. What is this, an ad? Is this an ad? Did I click? No, this is an ad. Whoops. Okay. Go away. Ads are dumb because they interfere with what you're trying to do. Now buy some of that. Okay, I bought 2 of these. And then I got 1 of these. And then I got this. And then I got this. And then, boom! Let's see. Whoa! Oh, it's cute! I don't care. No. Back here. Boom! I just realized, what is the background on this thing? Coins! No, thank you. Good stuff. I can't buy anything. Go up here. Press this. More money. More money gets me more fidget spinners. More fidget spinners gets me more popularity. More popularity gets me more power. And more craziness gets me more like me. What's this? I have no other option than to try it. Whoa, what was that? Can I try it up here? Does it work? Dang it, it doesn't work. No, later. Get all the fidget spinners. Fidget spinners, ba ba ba, do do do. Are you lucky? Yes, I am. Yay, I got more coins. Whoa! I fell off my bed. I'm okay. Ah! Again, I'm okay. Ow. Okay. There. Ow. My arm hurts. I'm tired. So how are you guys? I need more fidget spinners. More fidget spinners gets me more popularity. More popularity gets me more friends. More friends gets me less alone time. I leveled up. Yay! More friends gets me less creepiness. Less creepiness gets me more people to like me. Maybe Senpai will notice me. Senpai! Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for what? I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching. Rosie out.